we're going to learn that how to edit company settings in QuickBooks Online class. So how to do that? First, you need to click on this setting icon, click it, and here we have this option, account and settings. When you click this option, account and settings, this page will open, and if you look on the left side, we have different tabs here. If you want to change or edit settings related with your company, you need to click on this company tab. If you want to check settings related with your billing and subscriptions, then you need to click on this second tab. If you want to check settings related with your sales, related with your customers and product and services, then you need to click on this sales tab. If you want to change or edit settings related with the expenses and your suppliers, then you need to click on this tab, expenses. And if you want to change advanced company settings, for example like financial year closing, you need to click on this advanced tab. So in this video we are discussing about the company settings. So when you click on this company tab, on the right side this page will open. So the first section is company name. So if you click on this pencil icon, first we have the company logo. This logo will appear on your reports, on your sale invoices and the purchase order or purchase invoices. So if you want to add another logo, so you need to click on this plus icon. You need to click on this plus tab and we can select the logo. So this logo is uploading right now, processing, and once it is done, you have the option that either you want to use this logo or you want to use this logo, and then press save it. So when I click on the save, the logo will be changed now. Next we have company name. This is our company name, which will appear on your sale invoices, on your reports, on your purchase orders or purchase invoices. So that is the company name. And what is the legal name of your company? So that is same as the company name. Next we have business ID number. As we are in UAE, as we are in Dubai, so I'm gonna enter here the company trade license number 16690, and here we have this tax registration number, the tier number. In Dubai, in UAE, we have tax registration number that is of 50, that is a 15-digit code. So I'm going to enter any random number. And then click on this save icon to edit the first section, that is company name. Then the second section, that is a company type. So click on the pencil icon. Here you need to select the text font that your company is a sole proprietor, it's a partnership company or a limited liability company, or it's a small business corporation, two or more owners, or it's a big corporation or big enterprise, it's a non-profit profit organization. So let's suppose our is the limited liability company. And what is the industry? Let's suppose our industry is manufacturing. So you need to select your company industry and then click on save. So the second section, company type, it is also saved. Now the third section, that is the contact information about of your company. So click on this pencil icon. First you need to enter the company email, that is an official email of your company. Enter as APJ consultant.com, and customer facing email, so same as company email. So whenever you need to send invoices online to your customers, right, so that is our default email. So are we going to send invoices to our official email? Then we have company phone, that is a company phone number, and if there is a company website, you need to enter the company website information also. And these are the information which will appear on your invoices also. And then click on Save. So the third section related with the contact information, it is also saved. The fourth section, that is address. So click on the pencil icon to add it. So you can write here the street, that is Paying Street. Tab, city is Dubai, state is also Dubai, and here you need to enter the postal address of your company, and customer facing address on that invoice is same as the company address. Legal address for the filing taxes, that is the same as the company. And click on the save icon. So the fourth section related to the addresses, that is also done. So in this video, we are just covering only the company tab. So we're done with these settings, and here we have this option to done to save it. So click on done, and our settings are saved. And if you see here, the logo is also changed. That is the updated logo here. So this is how, if you want to edit company settings in QuickBooks Online Plus.